Hello everybody. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Chrissy's Beauty Closet. Where in this one, I am going to be going over my Boxy Lux, my March Boxy Lux, of course. Yes, in April. It showed up so late, and I had an accident and hit my head, which, there goes my absence for the last few days. And, my window is open, so in case you hear noise blowing in the background, you see, because of it's beautiful outside, and I want my window open. So hopefully the noise doesn't bother you guys. If so, I apologize, but it's been a while since we've been able to do this, and I like it. So the first thing that I did get in my palette was the Be Beauty London Barbarella palette, the $50 eyeshadow palette that nobody was really excited to get in there. Just because it's a lot of neutrals in here. I haven't swatched it, and I'm not going to because it's going into the giveaway. But by the way, I have a first 50 subscribers giveaway that all of this is going to be going into the giveaway, and it's not an ugly palette. It's just a palette that I have every single shade in here. So I'm going to give it to somebody who's trying to start out their collection, perhaps, hopefully somebody that can get some use out of this. Along with that, I do have this brush set from Ecotools that I had ordered. It is a nice little brush set too. It comes with these, like this. I showed this in one of my other videos. That's in the giveaway as well. Getting off track, guys. But another thing that is going in the giveaway, and that is this. Okay, this was in my Lux box as well. This is the Amina Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold. It's bright. Let me see. There we go. 24 karat gold lip mask. Okay, this right here says this 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. And that retails for $42. And the Barbarella palette, that was $50. And you guys seen that. So the next thing I received in my box that I have been using the last couple of days since I've gotten it, and that's the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And I am enjoying that. Of course, you know that with skincare, it takes a while to start seeing like some real, like the real, you know what I'm trying to say, guys. All right, it says this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. I have oily skin, and so deep hydration is kind of something that I really didn't think I don't need. But the way this sinks into the skin, it is not oily, it's not greasy whatsoever. It feels very, very good on the skin, and I enjoy it. I enjoy it very much so. The next thing is this rose quartz mask, hair mask actually, and I'm very excited to receive this. I have really been into hair masks, and I use the Function of Beauty. That's a personalized hair shampoo and conditioner, and I ordered a hair mask with mine that's personalized as well. This smells so good. Smells so good. I can't wait. I wish you guys could smell it. Like, if you had smell-o-vision, here you go. Smells good. But yeah, I can't wait to put this to the test. And it says the Rose Quartz Hair Mask, your touchstone of hair products for rose Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs. With 0% sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates, it suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processed, vegan, and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. And that retails for $31. Like that. Okay. The next thing I received is this right here. This is a mini heat brush. And I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. It might find itself in the giveaway. We shall see. I don't know. I need to see if my sister will use it or watch it. This is a little tiny, and mini is the right word. It is tiny hair, like, it's a heat brush. That's what it is. It's a heat brush. And the bristles are extremely hard. I don't understand. That feels like I would just end up knocking myself out. But I don't know. I haven't tried it. I haven't tried it at all. But it does come in this cute little pouch thing that says Soleil, which I believe I'm pronouncing that right. Probably not. Probably butchered it. But there we go. That is that. That is the Soleil hair tools. This Soleil mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It is powerful and easy to use, and as easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair, safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. Welcome to Chrissy, who apparently cannot read. Okay, this retails for a whopping $50. $150 for that little tiny heat brush that is look, I can't even talk. That's okay, Mr. Truck. Oh shit, get your shit together, sir. Okay, yeah, that's overpriced, extremely overpriced, and it is just overpriced. That's all I have to say about that. The next thing I received is the which I did try one. The Beauty Bakery eggs. This is adorable. Freaking adorable. I love these things. I love the one I used. People were saying like it was a little hard. I don't know. Mine are not at all. None of them. They all feel the exact same to me. The pink ones and the blue ones are shaped the same. They are the same. I used the green one today. Another product that I'm about to show you guys that I received in my box. This is how much bigger it gets. As you see, nice size. It's nice. It's squishy. I love this thing. It felt really good on this gun. I like this. It's not hard at all. Okay, now camera shut off again. I'm getting really sick of this. Okay, so as I was saying, these right here, you get 6 of them. Cute packaging, great. I love it. It's super cute. 18 bucks. All right, and the next thing on here is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define. This right here. Beautiful color, shaped like that. I'm wearing it today. Super pretty, super pretty. Love it, love it, love it. Very comfortable on the lips, easy to apply. All right, fine and to fill. Fine and to fill. Define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. and silky, long-lasting demi matte finish is so light and breathable you'll forget you're wearing it. Okay, perfect. Love it. All right. And that is it. Oh, wait. Sorry. My foundation that I'm wearing on my face. Okay, we got the Fenty Pro Filter foundation, which was my choice item, as well as I had ordered. My choice item was the little makeup brush holder thing that was supposed to be from like Janero, and I didn't receive that. I got the brush instead, but oh well, you know, Boxy can't always get it right, can they? Alright, this is my Fenty foundation. I am actually loving how this sits on my skin, loving how it wears throughout the day. This is my third day wearing it. It is very pretty. Very pretty. Nice little pump. Mine's dirty, of course, because I've used it. Need to clean it off, but and I really like it. Nice, sleek packaging, frosted glass. Very pretty packaging, love it. And that says this long-wearing light as air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore-diffused, shine-free finish. This oil-free formula is made with climate-adaptive technology that's resistant to sweat and humidity and won't clog pores, so that wherever you are, it's going to work on your so that wherever you are, it's going to work on your skin. So I guess it's good for all skin types. Even though it says like a soft matte finish, I don't feel like it's drying whatsoever, not at all. And I powder down on top of it. And we haven't hit all the way into summer yet, so my skin isn't like super oily quite yet, but it will get there, especially my T-zone. But as of right now, I'm loving how it wears on my skin. I love my Smashbox. That's my favorite. Right here, the Studio Skin. That's what I wear all the time. This here is the Fenty. And I love how it wears on the skin. So I may have a new favorite. Everything else on the face is stuff I've gotten from Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I'm pretty sure this is a whole Boxy face because the lip got from Boxy. I used the lip fondant from Half Caked on my lips. That's not the shade I used, but that's what I used. My primer was the No Pore primer that I received in my premium box. The serum I used underneath my primer was the Glow Recipe after I washed my face. So that is everything. And a recap of everything is the Be Beauty London, the Barbarella palette right here. That's $50. The Glow Recipe right here. That's $42. The Fenty Beauty, bam, $36. The Rose Quartz hair mask. Okay, there we go. All right, that's that's $31. And then we have the Soleil hair heat brush. That's $150. We have the Beauty Bakery blending eggs right here. These are $18. The Dominique Cosmetics Fill and Define lip liner that I'm loving. It is $18, and I ordered another one in the shade Brown Sugar. Can't wait till I get that one. And the Amina Skincare lip pumping lip mask. So those are everything I received in my Boxy Luck. Excuse yourself. Everything I received in my Boxy Lux, and it comes up to a total of $387. So that's a nice price for $50, if you ask me. Everything I am almost pretty much pleased with. 2 out of the 8 items. 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, out of the 8 items, 2 of them that I'm giving away, and my giveaway, 3 of them the brush, the palette, and the lip mask. The rest of them I'm keeping for myself in my collection. So, box was good, actually. Very pleased with it. Can't wait to get the rest of my boxes for this month because I got a premium coming and the regular base box coming. And I have another, let me see, I have some more stuff from Boxycharm on its way from add-ons because I only received half of my add-ons so far. So I have a whole nother video to shoot for that. And then I have some things I ordered from Ulta. So a little tiny Ulta beauty haul, but I got 2 palettes I wanted to try out so badly. So I want to do that on camera with you guys. So again, thank you guys for watching with me today. I appreciate it so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to please hit the bell notification so that your little post notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And until the next time, I love you guys. Stay blessed and stay safe. Mwah.